Hey, what's up guys? On this video, I'm going to talk about program structure in Go. So for the program, we prefer to use CamelCase in Go programming language. So let's say if we're gonna define a variable, let's say and we can declare like const, and we can define a type. We can declare a function, and all of these we prefer to use like a CamelCase, and for importing for package import, we can say like import, and then we're gonna import a package, and if we need to import like more than one package, we say we add another one in there with the comma here. And next one I'm gonna do with the declaration. We're gonna declare a variable, let's say, and let's declare x, and we can say we define a variable y, and this is type inference, and that I can sense that this is a type of this type that's gonna be int, and we can say we can do that as well. We can define a type, and we can assign the value to the variable. And for the constants, let's say pi here. That's the const. And with the capital letter, it means that const is shared between the package, shared in the package. And the next one, we can type declaration, and then we can declare a type. Let's say type sales is, let's say type, we declare a type of sales is a float. And for next one, we're gonna variables. We're gonna get variable here, variable declaration and initialization. So we declared x, and that's gonna be type of int. And we're gonna define the value. We're gonna assign the value 10 here, and we can do that with the type inference, and we got another way to do that with the colon here. That's the short variable declaration. That normally we use that in the scope, like within the function. We don't use that in the global. And zero value variables, like for instance, if we declare a variable x, but we didn't assign any value to it, and if we're gonna print that out, so that x value gonna be 0, because we didn't assign anything. So it's gonna be int type, it's gonna be 0 value. And let's say if we got float type, that's gonna be no point node. So if we do with the string type, it's gonna be empty string. Okay, next one, gonna go for assignment. I got a single assignment, let's say. Okay, if we have defined x, let's say x, that's int type, and we can assign the value to the variable, and the compound. So you can say x plus 5, let's say. So this is like x is like a 10 plus 5 here, and we can also do that like this is like 10 minus 5 and assign the value to x. And next one, short variable, short let's say here, this is the short variable declaration. And let's move on to the type declaration. For a type declaration, let's say we can do that. We can let's not use that as an example. Let's say my int. So that's be the int type. So this is alias of the int. So for this, for the new type, let's say we have a we declare a type of the aliases, and that's the float type. And this is Fahrenheit. Let me copy that Fahrenheit. So they look same, but they are different. Although they are all type of float, but they are not same. This is like a so. Let's give you an example. Let's say and let's say this is Celsius type, this is Fahrenheit type. Although they are all like float type, but they are different here. And the package and file. So for package declaration, so we can say like package main or any package main, anything like you can put any name for your package. And so if we want to import a package, we should say import this package. And if we import, like if we want to import more package, we can do it like this. Oops, no. We can do it like this. And package initialization. So on the package, if you want to assign some values or any configuration, we can use this function called init. This init function gonna be invoked when you call the package. So it'll be first thing to do when you before actually you're going to call any functions. Okay, next one we're gonna move to scope. So for scope, if you guys from front end and using JavaScript, you must be very familiar with scope. And so for package scope level, so let's say if we're gonna define a variable here, and you will be able to get this value on the package. Let's say this package we say capital letter X. So it's gonna be shared it's gonna share between the files within the package. And if we're gonna go function level scope, and let's say for instance we have a function here, we have a variable, and this variable only valid inside this function. And if you try to get this function, get this variable from the function, that's gonna be error. It's gonna be error because this is only valid in the function. Okay, so we have covered some of the key point of the program structure in Go programming language. On next video, I'm going to do some basic data structure. Okay, I'm gonna upload this to GitHub if you guys want to I want to see that you can use it. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you very much. See you guys next time.